are being recognized for their achievement of Catherine Ariaga and Yamila Gaspari. Okay, so the following students are being recognized for their achievement in academics, which is math, reading, writing, and so forth. So the first student is Jonta Murphy. Marlene Perez. Calician Garcia. Kayla Petch, Lexi Chagoya, Adeline Diaz, Michelle Ramos, Meg Gatalian, Avery Ayala.
Woo, Avery!
Evan Chandra. And Jaden Bonilla. Evan.
Woo!
Okay, congratulations to our students in Ms. Guzman's class. Ms. Guzman's class, we're going to take 2 steps. Ready? 1 big step. 2.